Welcome to Trending Topics. Remember to like and subscribe. Everybody's looking for the next big thing in tech, and OpenAI just delivered it. That's right, ChatGPT now has a voice mode. No more typing, just talk to your AI like it's your best buddy. But wait, there's more. Remember the Scarlett Johansson voice fiasco? Yeah, turns out, having your AI sound like a movie star can lead to some, legal entanglements. Who knew? So, they've revamped it with 4 brand new voices, all crafted by actual voice actors. These voices won't be channeling any Hollywood stars, but they'll still sound super slick. And hey, it's all about safety and ethics now. OpenAI is rolling this out slowly to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, aiming for full release by this fall. So get ready to chat it up with your AI like never before. Will it tell you bedtime stories? Maybe. Will it finally laugh at your jokes? Unlikely. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your daily dose of tech awesomeness.